Assalamu alaikum. Asakum khair. I hope you guys are doing well. So I have just gotten off work and I'm headed to the engine, the workshop, to make sure and see where I've reached with Project Ben. Today's task was to start off with the insulation. So the heat and the sound insulation is supposed to be installed, and I know that the guys have been working on it from the morning. So on my way back home after work, I decided that it's a good idea for me to pass by and to check where we've reached with that part of the work. All the work, of course, is being done at the engine. I have all my cars worked on at this workshop, and I recommend that you guys try them out because they're probably the best in the country. This update is going to be pretty fast because it's really hot. It's like 45 degrees again. It's been like this the whole week. Anyway. Alright, so quick update on Project Ben. Things are going well. We put the engine in. We got the engine mounts all calibrated, the gear calibrated, all of that. Transmission calibrated. It's gonna go in for paint soon, but before it goes in for paint, we took everything out from the inside and we're doing the heat and the soundproofing. Now for the heat and the soundproofing, I got a really good deal off a four-wheel drive station. I'll tag them there below. And we're just about, well, they've been working from the morning. They're just about complete with the heat and the sound installation. As you can see, we've got 10 millimeters thick heat and sound that goes onto the bottom of the car, the sides of the car, and the roof. And wherever we can't fit the 10 milli, we're going with a 3 milli. So this is what it looks like. Already feels cooler in here. I'm glad that things are moving very well with Project Ben. I was worried about the heat insulation, but I got a really good deal off four-wheel drive station. Check them out. They've got a lot of cool stuff there. Up next, of course, is the interior, and that is a Herculean task that I am not really looking forward to, but I hope that I can get that done soon. If you like the content on this page, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep exploring.